Hi, I am Dhanvi from Aptus Academy. We are excited to announce that we are launching a MERN Stack web development course for students and aspiring developers who wants to build their strong career in web development. इस कोर्स में बेसिक से लेकर एडवांस लेवल तक हर कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होगा, including MongoDB, React.js, Node.js, Express.js, along with practical projects and real-world applications. Let's start with the introduction of MERN Stack. Basically, MERN Stack is a popular technology used for building web applications and web apps. Like, MERN stands for MongoDB, which is a database. Express.js is the backend framework. React.js is the front-end library. And Node.js is the runtime environment. इसमें सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि JavaScript plays a most important role in each and every technology of MERN Stack. So first we will start with JavaScript, which makes development easier and faster to learn. Basically, how MERN works. MERN uses React for the front end, where the users interact with the app, and the Node.js plus Express.js used to handle requests and backend logics. Then the MongoDB stores data, and the backend send requests back to the React. Why MERN Stack is so popular? Because it is a single language, it has scalable apps, it is very fast and efficient. Industry demand means there is a high demand of MERN developers. So the conclusion is you can become a MERN developer. So limited seats are available. Enroll now before it's full. Thank you so much.